Ekene, my son.
Yes, Papa.
I'm going to my workshop.
Okay.
When your mother returns and finish cooking, please tell her to call me.
Okay. Once the food is ready, I'll bring it for you.
Okay.
Oh, Mama.
She's back home.
Mama, I'm so sorry I came back very late. I had a little day. A little day.
Mama. Mama. Atuko. Mama. What is going on? Mama. Atuko. Mama. Don't do this to me. Mama. What? Wait. What's going on?
Udoka, my brother. Udoka, what am I hearing? Aduko has left me. Aduko is gone.
This is unbelievable. Yeah? Was she sick?
Not at all. Aduko. Why Aduko? Gods of our land, who have I offended?
It's okay, yeah? Look, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. It is unfortunate that Adugo left the way and manner she did. But we cannot question God. It is He who brings and He takes. Stop crying. Yeah? Stop crying.
Please take heart. Oh, now you dog. Oh, you don't work out, can no?
No.
Okay, my son. Take heart. Oh, please just hold yourself. Uche sent his regards. He will soon be here. Hey.
Udoka, accept our condolences. It's okay. Udoka.
It's okay.
My brother Mbako, I'm not supposed to come to ask for financial assistance, considering the fact that I'm here to pay the one I collected the last time. But the truth is that I don't have anywhere else to run to.
Udoka. Helping out a brother financially is not a problem. To me, it's not a problem. But as long as they are willing to pay back.
I can assure you that I will pay to the last kobo. All I just want to do is to lay my wife to rest. Her remains, put it to Mother Earth.
Our wife?
Yes, sir.
Are you now ready to bury her?
I'm ready to bury her, but there's no money to bury her.
Udoka, is that why you are talking as if the world is collapsing? Udoka, I have money. And I am ready to give you any amount of money to bury her, to lay her to rest.
Really?
Yes! She is our wife. And she was a good woman. Oh, that. But Udoka, you know that our people say that onweji webia bilako, abro onweji ako.
Bano, I will give you the money back. I will pay to the last couple. I promise you.
You will pay back?
Yes, I will. I promise.
I've not even offered you anything as we are talking about. Let me go inside. I'm coming. Hey, Udoka.
To borrow him such amount of money, how is he going to pay you back?
Chinwe, he will pay. I can assure you that he will pay. But don't forget that he is one of my closest relatives amongst my kinsmen. He will pay.
Anyway, let it not be as if I'm misadvising you from helping a brother. But if you are sure he will pay you back and there won't be any problem, you can go ahead and give him the money.
See, I do not envisage any problem.
Are you sure?
He will pay. He will pay back.
It's okay, you can go and give him the money.
Let me go and give him the money. Let's go.
Okay.
Son,
Papa?
now that I've been able to raise some money from my brother Mbakwe, I think it is proper that we start making preparation for your late mother's burial.
Papa, you're right, but I'm still thinking how we're going to pay back all this money.
Don't worry, my son. God is always there to help us. You don't have a vulcanizing workshop. I'll be making the money little by little. And before you know it, we'll offset everything. Don't worry, I understand how you feel.
It's alright, Papa. It's alright.
But what you need to do for me now is to go to Moscow and make arrangement for canopies and chairs, while I will run to the mortuary and pay the mortuary bills.
Hey, Rush.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Please wait for me. I'll be there in a few minutes. Yes. Okay.
I'm ready. I'm set to go.
But my son, must you go to school today?
Papa, I have to be in school today. It's very, very important I'm in school today because our NYC list is out. And I need to know where I was posted.
But I don't have any money to give to you. Do you have any money to take to school?
Papa, I saved up a little money, but if I check and it's not going to be enough for me, I'll ask Uchemba's son to borrow me some money.
All right, my son. Just go well.
I don't want anger. I love my own.
Customer, your tire is in perfect condition.
Thank you, sir. That was nice, sir. Here's your money, sir.
This one is not enough now. My money is supposed to be 600 naira.
I know, that was nice, sir. Please manage this one.
Because of you.
Okay, sir.
It's because you are my customer.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What is it?
Yeah, it's Papa.
Talk to me. What
Papa made it. Oh.
Made what now?
Hey, Papa, guess.
But you know your daddy. I
Guess
don't know how to
good,
guess.
Guess good. That man no bolo with the sharp. Guess good. Just guess.
Tell me, my son.
Papa, our final result is out, and your son made first class.
No, hold on. First class. Do you mean?
Yes, first class in petrochemical engineering.
Thank God. Oh!
That's not the only good news, though.
What?
Papa, in my faculty, I am the only one who made first class in my faculty.
Hey.
Then, an oil servicing company came and gave me... Hey.
Give you what now?
Hey, Papa, they gave me a scholarship.
Scholarship?
To study abroad.
Obodoyibo?
In any university of my choice.
Hey.
To do my master's, so...
Look at me.
Then they promise to take care of my parents. Just as for me to agree to work in their company after my training.
They will take care of me. Hey, vulcanizer.
You do this thing in America.
Hey.
My
son, this calls for a celebration.
Yes, sir. Papa, you pump Bugota and Dutch before? No. You got pump Bugota aeroplane. You pump it by your blue night. Papa, 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 Papa.
So you know what we're going to do?
What?
I've made some money today. We are going to rush to the market and buy some food items. Then we prepare vegetable soup.
Papa, you make vegetable. It's some idea. Obroko idea. Mangala. Gori. Afano. Towel. And do it.
Oh, first class. Oh, my son. First class. Let's go.
Where's your father? He's resting inside. Let me call him.
Mbakwe, I heard you shouting my name. I hope there's no problem.
Udoka, I have come to collect all the money that you are owing me to the last time, and I will not leave here today until you pay me all my money.
My brother, Mbakwe, I thought we agreed that I would pay you gradually.
You are mad. You are drunk or you are both. You are who agreed that you will pay me gradually. Udoka, when I gave you my money, did I give you gradually? No, answer me. Did I give you the money gradually? I'm not fear. Uncle, please calm down, okay? Just calm down. My father is going to pay you soon.
Shut up! Who invited you to this? Shut up!
Just look at you.
You that have been going around the whole community boasting that you made first class in the university.
Yes, I did.
You made. You think we don't know how you made the first class?
It's just true hard work.
Which hard work? Yes, we know. We know how you got it. You that have been sleeping with both male and female lecturers so that they will score you high grades. People's wife, you think we don't
Uncle,
know?
stop it. This is a strong allegation on me. I don't like it.
What are you trying
What's that now?
Then prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, God. Stop harassing my son. What has he done?
You. Udoka, I said give me my money.
Give me all the money that you are owing me. Give me including the money I gave you to bury your wife. Look, Udoka, I am so angry that I will go and exhume the corpse of your wife from the grave. You don't know me. Okay, Imekiri. You don't know me. I will bring out her corpse so that you will rebury her again with your money. Idiot. Give me all my money.
Mbakwe.
Debtor.
I don't blame you. I blame my chief. If not, why will I not have money to bury my wife? I would have buried my wife myself. I'll give you.
How will you blame me? You think I will fall for that crocodile tears? That is how you have been coming to cry in my house and collect all my money. Eh? I will not fall for this. Udoka, give me my money. Udoka! Shut up! What are you doing with the knife? Oh, you have come to murder me with my money. No. For giving your father money, you are now carrying a knife again. Neighbors, come on! Okay, you have come to kill me with my money. Neighbors, come! Okay, you want to kill me? Hey! You want to kill me? Hey! No, because I borrowed your father money. Uncle, stop this. Hey! You want to kill me? My money.
Papa, son, you and Uncle Mbakwe are brothers.
Yes.
And he's very close to you.
Very close.
And your most favorite amongst the king's men.
Yes.
So why the sudden change? Why?
My son, my brother is only envious of your laudable achievements. Especially the first class you just made in the university. My challenge now is how to pay him, restart his money and pay him. So that I'll be free.
But that will be very difficult. Very difficult. Considering the small money you make in your shop.
I agree with you, my son. But you see, the only choice we have now is a very difficult choice. You know that piece of land that I gave to you? I think we have to sell that land. So that's the only way. If we sell the land, we're going to settle him and make provision for you to travel overseas to further your studies. Look, son, I know how you feel. But you know, when you go and study overseas and come and work for that oil company, you're going to buy acres of land. Eh? Please, my son, let's just sell that land.
Mbakwe, Udoka, your brother has played a fast one on you. Opiacha Gogi, Piachai.
How do you know?
It is obvious you are richer than him, but he's more intelligent than you. Check here, Nawagi. Check here, check.
Amandia Neze, stop speaking to me in parable. Speak to me in a clear and simple language. You're my friend.
Mbakwe, where were you? What were you doing when Udoka took away every good thing in your son's brain and gave it to his son, Ekene? I thought you were wise.
Amadi.
Now we are Amandia Neze.
Amandia Neze.
Anon Kankampi. Nkisi.
Anon Gangampi. Nkisi. Amandi. What do I do?
A drum. Okay. What you will do is here in your heart. What you, Mbakwe, will do is here in your heart. Go ahead and do it.
Oluokonelu ayiwe asị na okirikiri ka a na-agbu ka ose a na-eghara ya elu ọma mbụla dam igwe asị na ọ bụrụ ụbọchị egbudara osisi ka o ji akpọnwụ. Mbakwe, talk to the spirits and tell them what the problem is.
Those that benefited from my generosity and magnanimity are after me. They seek to destroy my life.
May the gods forbid.
Great Ayiwe, Udoka, Udoka, my brother, has thrown me flat on my back and mashed on my face.
Agwọ tụọ mbe ọfụnanya. Agwọ tụọ mbe ọfụnanya.
Udoka has thrown me flat on my back, but I will rise and retaliate. Yes, Ayiwe, Udoka must suffer. Udoka must suffer. He must suffer. He must suffer. Udoka and his pompous son, Ekene, they must suffer. Udoka must suffer until he dies.
Agwọ tụọ mbe ọfụnanya. Asina ọmambolo Adam igwe. Fatu gombo faga fozinanya. Ayiwe gosi ni hiji webula ayiwe. Ayiwe gosi ni hiji webula ayiwe. Talk to Ayiwe and tell Ayiwe exactly what you want it to do for you.
Hey, my leg. Papa! What is it, my son? My leg. Come on! Papa! Papa, my leg! My son! I can't see! Papa, my leg! My leg! I can't feel my leg! Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I can't see, I'm blind. Hold on. What is going on? Papa. My son. My son. What is wrong with your eyes? Papa? My eyes are blind. Can you see me? No, I can't see you. Wait. Papa, can you see me now? No. Eh? No. Oh. What have I done? Who did I offend? Who is this? Uche! Look at Uche, my brother. Is this you? That is me. That's me, Uche. Wow. Uche, you've not even changed your voice, your face, your body structure. Uche Makaze.
Thank you.
Eh? One them.
Yeah, thank you.
It's been a long time. Where have you been?
You know, I now live in the city.
Eh? What do you now do in the city?
I'm a businessman. I do business.
Hi, Uche Nelizia, go Uche, you now eat money. Come, let me touch you, my brother. You look fresh. You look good. Hi. Uche.
You know what? Let me quickly rush home and see my parents. Okay. Once I've rested, I'll come and see you.
Okay.
It's a must. I must see you before I return to the city.
Okay. I've missed you so much.
I miss you too.
Who owns that car?
Oh, one of my cars.
Can you imagine? You're a big boy, oh. I'm happy for you, oh. I'm happy for you.
Well, I must see you. I will see you. I'll come.
Okay. Oh my God. Hey.
My princess. Yeah. You have a call from Prince Ugonna. Oh, let me have it. Yeah. Hello, Ugonna.
Hello, princess.
You didn't get back to me like you said you would. What happened?
Well, I have been expecting your call like you promised. By the way, how are you?
Oh, well, I'm fine.
You promised to visit me. Why haven't you come?
I'm sorry about that, but I have been busy as well. You know, I'm the managing director of my father's company. Oh, shit. What?
core.
I think we have a flat tire. Oh my God. Oh, no. No way. Do you know any vulcanizer around here?
Yes, there's one down there.
Down the road?
Yes.
We'll just have to manage it and get to the vulcanizer. How did this happen?
Look at the way she said it. You're where I am the managing director of my father's company. I mean, who cares about the position she occupies in her father's company? And then she cut the call. What? Excellence. What?
My prince.
Get out!
Vulcanizer, come and fix this tire. Hurry up, you cripple.
Madam, I might be a cripple, but you see your tire, I'll do it for you very well, and you'll be surprised.
What is wrong with you? Why are you speaking to him in that manner? Huh? Wow!
Your tire is good to go.
You did a very, very good job. Thank you. I don't mean to sound rude or get you offended, but I have never seen anyone with such condition working so hard. That's really impressive.
Yeah, I know. But you know, I want to show the world that there is ability in disability, and with God all things are possible. And I believe with hard work, I will make up something in this organizer. Yeah, I believe.
You sound very literate.
Madam, you see, I have first class in electrochemical engineering.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just a condition that made crayfish bend. But I believe that someday I'll be fine.
I believe so too. And I like that smile on your face.
I don't want to bore you with my stories.
No, it's okay. I'll just get to your money.
Okay.
Okay, so this is for you.
Madam, my money is just 300 naira. And you're giving me this bundle of money.
Of course I know your money is 300 naira. Listen. This is just a way of me saying thank you to you for a job well done. And to encourage you as well. I mean, look at you. You're people with same conditions, but they wouldn't do this, if you understand what I mean. So that's for you, okay? Keep it, and I'll see you around next time. All right?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
And you too.
All right. Let's go.
Rush to take this call. Because I know how to handle women like this. Pompous women who are looking for men to ride on. I am not one of all those men that will run licking their feet. I'll just let this.
Papa, his condition is pitiable. I wonder how his father's condition would be by now.
My son, whatever Udoka and his son is going through is as a result of their wickedness.
Stop talking about that family like that. Don't forget Udoka used to be your best friend and your best kinsman.
Uche, my son, you live in the city. You don't live in this village. You don't know what goes on day in, day out in this village. You come once in a while, and then you leave almost immediately. Look, Uche, let me tell you. Whatever that man and his son is facing is as a result of their combined wickedness against us, against me, against your mother, against you.
Father, this is how you talk me into not associating with that family from childhood. But don't forget, I have grown up and I can take my own decision. Have you forgotten I used to have a very good relationship with Ekene?
Uche, I dare you. I dare you to step a foot into that house. If you ever step your foot into that house again, then I can assure you that this house will not contain both of us. Do you hear me? Ever you go to that place again, Uche, you would remain there.
Father, you can stop me. I have made up my mind and I will do it. I will see them.
Uche, you are not daring me. No. You are daring your father.
No, Father, I won't do that. I'm not daring.
No! Uche, if you step your foot into that house, then you will tell me who your father is. I would know whether I gave birth to you with this thing in between my legs or another man impregnated your mother on my behalf.
Mom, my GP is too good already. See, when I graduate, I'm going to be one of the best administrators in this state. Your dad better be ready because I doubt both of you can even pay me.
I trust you.
Are you expecting anyone?
No. Come, my daughter is back. Go and welcome her. And you, go and get settled. My daughter is back. Come here. Don't go first. You're welcome.
Yeah, welcome, sis. We're looking forward to it.
The prince is Prince
Hi, sister.
How are you?
Yeah, missed you.
Good day, my queen. Good day, my prince.
You're looking beautiful.
I know, mother. Like I saw myself in the mirror this morning. I'm like, oh my goodness, is this Princess Chisom? That was a joke, Mom. Thank you.
I guess you've been stressed at work.
Mother, it has been stressful. And you, I can't wait for you to graduate so that you can come help me at the office.
That was actually what I was discussing with Mom here.
Exactly.
Don't worry, I'll soon graduate and I'll be giving you all the intellectual help you want. Trust me.
A high five to that, bro.
Yes,
Let's go inside so that you can freshen up.
I really need that. I need this person.
Oh, a lot. Even though you did not tell me you were coming, right?
Are you guys going to leave me behind?
I don't need to come here. I don't need to tell you this time I'm coming to the house.
My prince, you look disturbed. Is there anything you want me to do for you?
So when I tell my parents about these things, they think I complain a lot. Now the proposed princess wouldn't call back. I do not know why my parents went into such agreement with her parents that I must marry their daughter. She's so full of herself, all because of our father's wealth.
My prince, I think you should call her.
Call her?
Yes, my prince.
You expect me to belittle myself before her?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Well, now I see you have nothing to offer. Get out. I said get out!
Papa? Is that you? Yes, Papa.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to prepare dinner for us.
Papa, please stop this. Even in your condition, you're not supposed to be doing this. I can take care of it, please. Please, leave me.
Kenny, how was work today?
Papa, it was perfect. Papa, today is better than other days.
Hey, what do you mean?
Papa, a lady came to the shop and after working for her, she surprised me with a package.
Hey.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Instead of paying 300, she gave me a bundle of money.
Hey.
Yes, let me show you.
Are you sure she gave you that money from her heart?
Papa, I believe she pitied me. Feel it.
But this is a lot of money for doing little work.
Yes. Instead of 300 naira, she gave me this.
Did you ask her her name?
Papa, I did not, even though she was with another lady. Yes.
Well, God Almighty will bless her, since she has decided to bless us.
Amen. Amen. Papa, come on, let's go inside. Take it easy.
Mama?
Huh? Are you going out?
I want to go and see Ekene. Mama, I saw Ekene yesterday. I almost shed tears. The condition I saw that boy, man, his condition is so bad.
Yes, their condition is so bad. Even the condition of his father is worse. Huh? He's blind and he is managing walking stick to move around for years now.
Mama, are you serious?
Yes.
So their condition is that bad?
My son is very pitiable.
But, what if, Mama, considering the relationship we had with that family, why are you people not helping them?
I was supposed to be helping them, but your father scolds and picks quarrel each time I offered to help them. What will I do?
Papa, but why the sudden hatred with that family from Papa? Why?
Son, I don't know. I can't tell. I just kept away from them because I don't want to have problem with your father.
Anyway, Mama, that is for Papa. But for me, I must see that family before I go back to the city.
It is very important.
Very good.
Yes, you have to.
Yeah, okay, well,
Mbakwe. Let me give you 3 first.
Where did you get this? Wait. Don't ask me questions. Don't just ask me any foolish question. Because I know that it has been a very long time since you took something as sharp as this.
Don't tell me that. Don't say that at all.
Wait. You know your son will have to first of all come back from the city before you can drink something like this.
But you know my son went to Lagos.
And he came back. Did he bring anything? Let me shock you. This thing should come out nice. It's a heavy bundle. Hey.
Where did you get this money? Did you steal the money or you borrowed the money?
Hey. She.
Hey. Igbo. Okwa new changa. If we are just can you imagine how it entered my body? Yeah?
Hey, let me give you some so that you'll be smelling it as you go. You're my good friend. Let me add. This is your own share of the money that my son gave me.
I know you will keep my own intact.
Of course I will. Was it not through your wise counsel and advice that my son is able to do this for me? Is it not?
But let me also say this. Where this one come from, I know more will come from.
He said...
I'm coming.
Uche, come now. You're always in a hurry. Have you seen Mazi Amandianese? Greet him now. He's my good friend, though.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Uche. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Uche, where are you hurrying to?
I want to see Ekene and his father.
You want to go and see who?
Ekene and his father.
Have I not warned you not to see or go to that house again? Have I not?
And father, I'm no longer comfortable with your decision when I know I can help them.
Father, have you forgotten we were very close? Have you forgotten the relationship you had with them?
Hey, Uchenna, stop talking to your father like that. Yes, you were close to them before. That is Mbembo, before, not now. Whatever condition they find themselves now is as a result of the evil deed they indulged in.
Oh. Now that you have heard it from the mouth of a worthy Nze, Mazi Amandianese, I am sure you will start believing me.
And I don't believe it.
Uchenna, come back here! Come back! Come back here! I forbid you from going to that house! Hey! I don't know what Udoka and his son have done to my son. Since he came back, he has been hell-bent on going to their house. And we have been arguing about this every day, every day, every day.
Why something now? They have gotten your son on back way. Hey, what a go again? You are here every day, every day. Udoka is capable of doing anything, even in his condition now.
Udoka, I will cook for you. And you will not be able to finish the food. I assure you.
I am on my way. You know what to do. I want you to do it as fast as possible before it becomes too late. And
Hey! 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 What's that? You know the sister at the block. What did happen?
What is it? What is it? Who are you? What do you want from me?
See, as I block you now, you're not supposed to move. Just relax.
Why are you looking for my trouble? Who are you? What is it?
No, talk to you, they move. What be that now? Stay one place, oh. No, don't provoke me. I don't think they wait for you since how many hours make I collect my dough now.
Nah, we know why. Eh? All these young men, you're always in a hurry. So, how did it go?
Now. You go where? If you see what I do, you can't be like saying that tipper, nine jammer. I rip that leg, that crippled leg off.
You sure?
Why you ask me whether I'm sure? If You don't say that me being better, eh? Better for this way, don't they too? Ah! Give me my dough, make I the ball. Nani, now why they do like this now? Number that you won't give this money, it's a kanjage.
Anyway, why?
Give me my money now.
I'll go why
Give me.
Take. Boy, you sure?
Here, just was there now. No, yeah, fool, we are God on Anna.
Yeah.
Set to go. My son,
Papa,
please remember all that we discussed.
Yes.
There are things that require urgent attention. Biku.
All right, Papa. Heard you. Okay. Don't worry. As soon as I get to the city, I'll give you a call.
Okay. I'm waiting.
I have to start going now. The journey's a bit far.
Oh, yes.
Drive carefully.
Please take care of yourself, eh?
All right. Mama, you too. Take care of yourself and take care of Papa.
I will.
Tell her to take care of me.
Papa, you know you are the stubborn one here now. You are the problem here.
Look, it's not after cooking now.
Papa, you are the stubborn person here. You know what I'm talking about.
It's not after cooking now. She will take the good part of the meat and give me bone.
Have I been doing that?
Tell her to stop giving me bone.
Okay.
I like flesh too.
Massage is waste though. Use your hand to do that thing very well for you.
You have to help yourself.
Yes, I have you.
You stop giving me
I'm coming.
Oh my God, prove your power. Chipa, cause you had the Gucci. Cause unto thee, Lord, I put all my trust.
Papa, I'm ready to go to shop. Papa, I'm leaving. Papa, I'm going to the shop. Papa. Kezo do lena la hui ha. Papa. 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 Papa, look up! Papa! Hey!
You know I told you that I will not relent until I finish Udoka.
Yes, yes.
Until he dies. And now that I have achieved that, I am a fulfilled man.
You have done well.
My next target is Ekene.
Don't you say that at all. Ijineba, don't even say it again. Yes.
Why do you say that?
Bagwe, if you kill Ekene now, people will begin to ask questions. They will ask what killed Ekene, what killed the father. and the secret will be revealed. Is that what you want? Ayicho? You want people to ask questions and get answers? Yes. Reason.
So, what do you suggest that I do?
Now listen. The only way to see reason as reason is to reason reasonably. I want you to bring Ekene very close to yourself. When he is closer to you, you can kill him. Nobody will suspect you. If he's closer, it is easier for you to kill him. Reason. Think. Yes.
I am so proud to have you as a friend.
You have to start paying, you know.
In fact, I am going to put a smile on your face.
I am laughing already. Let me put it inside.
Yes. Yes. Anybody you advise, and he follows your advice, that is killer.
One way.
What happened? You left for the city this morning. Why are you back?
Immediately I got to the city, I got a call from Ekene that they're in the hospital.
A hospital? What happened? Why?
Where's my father?
He went out to see a friend in the neighborhood.
Mama, I am so disappointed in father. I'm so really disappointed in him. Why is Papa this heartless? Huh? Why? Since when? He's in a position to help his friend, one of his best kinsmen, and he's not doing that. Why?
My son, your father said he's a wizard. And he forbids us to go close or even help.
And you believe him? Huh? So you believe Mr. Udoka is a wizard?
My son, I am a woman. I cannot go against your father's wish. Yes, because I don't want to have problem with your father. You know him. Now let us go to the hospital and see them. At least I can offer them food. Oh?
Oh, now you can go and see them. Huh? You can now offer them food. Anyways, there is no need anymore. He's no more.
How? What do you mean by that?
Mr. Udoka is dead.
Udoka is dead! Hey! How?
Chisom, you have to go and settle your differences with Prince Ugonna, because you must get married as husband and wife.
Father, I really can't believe what I'm hearing. This young man owes me an apology for assault.
My daughter, you have to listen to your father. Moreover, this matter has not escalated to assault. If you ask me, I will say he was only soothing his strong feelings to a woman he loves.
And you think having sex with a woman is showing her love? Father, I have tried for a year to understand this young man. But the only thing I see is a man who is rude, disrespectful, pompous, and so much pride in this young man. I'm sorry, but that is not the kind of man I desire to have as a husband.
And when has having sex with a woman become a crime? Look, I intend to keep the promise I had with his late father, King Omegboji. So, if you know you have any differences with him, go and sort out yourself. I am the king, and my words are law. All right? Did you say that?
Your Majesty.
No, did you say that?
Honestly speaking, I don't like the way you spoke to her. You know she's our daughter. And you know our daughter doesn't like to be scolded in that manner. That was harsh.
So, she's to tell me how I should scold her, right? No, is that what you're saying? Now, you better go and talk sense into her. Talk sense into her because she must marry Ugonna, whether she likes it or not.
I will do that, but please take it easy.
Greetings, my question.
Greetings. Where's Uma Gogo?
She's at the back here.
I need one of you to get her for me, please.
My daughter, your father meant well for you. And that is why we want you to be the next queen of that kingdom.
Is that all you people care about? Why does no one care about my own happiness?
We care about your happiness. And that is the reason we want you to marry Prince Ugonna.
Mother, listen, I am still finding it difficult to come to terms with Prince Ugonna's attitude. But father trying to force me into marrying that young man is absurd.
Listen, your father had this agreement with Igwe Omembochi when you two were still younger. Listen, I believe you can still mold him into your dream man. You can do that if you choose to.
Well, I find it very difficult to mold that man into my dream man.
Are you telling me that? You should learn to be submissive under a man. Don't let us regret having you as our only daughter.
I'm leaving, Mother.
I do not like the manner the princess left.
From every indication, she really looks unhappy.
The prince is so proud that no rational woman would love to live with him as a wife.
Who else would have made her unhappy if not for the unruly character of the prince?
Hey, both of you. Yeah.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
What were you two talking about over there?
My prince, we were just arguing over the price of the princess car.
Chisom, my daughter. Look, I'm not trying to cajole you or force you to marry Prince Ugonna. All I'm saying is that both of you should understudy yourselves. I mean, get to know each other. Perhaps this whole thing will work out. That is my appeal.
It's okay, Father, I've heard you. I'm going to try to work out things with him. That is only if I see changes in him.
That is my daughter. In that case, I will invite him to the palace and discuss it over with him.
Chisom, tell me, don't you want your father and I to carry our grandchild from you?
Of course, Mom. I want you both to carry your grandchildren.
Is that a promise?
It is a promise.
If you fulfill this promise and give us grandchildren, we will forever be grateful to you.
Yes. I promise not to disappoint you too.
Good. I have an invitation to attend a meeting at the government house with respect to the contract they want to award to my company.
Okay.
But as you can see, I am not as strong because of my ill health. So I would want you to go and represent me in that meeting.
That's no problem, Father. Sorted.
I love you so much.
I love you. I'm jealous.
You see, I have absolute trust in your ability to manage difficult things and, in fact, answer difficult questions. So, I trust in you to deliver. However, if you have any difficulty in answering some of the questions, don't hesitate to call me.
Yes, sir. But for now, I have to go. Remember, I have a meeting with our business partners from the Federal Capital Territory. So, I have to leave so I don't keep them waiting. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.
Take care of yourself, right?
Of course I will.
Be a good girl.
Okay, Mom.
Take good care of yourself.
And take care of Father. No
I
alcohol.
will.
Please, don't let him drink.
No, he will not.
Hope we're not forgetting anything. Let's go.
Okay. Can I talk to you for a minute? Okay. Excuse us. Adam, Mother, have you tried reconciling with Prince Ugonna since you had that misunderstanding?
If Prince Ugonna does not call to tender an apology, Mother, I won't do it.
Nee, can I ask you a question? And I want you to tell me the truth.
What is it?
Tell me, are you seeing another man in the city?
I mean, Mother, are you joking me right now? You don't believe that I'm still a virgin?
I believe you. Honestly, I do. Take good care of yourself. Drive carefully, okay?
It's okay, Mom.
I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too.
Bye. Be careful.
I'm always careful, Mother.
My daughter is still a virgin.
So what kind of help do you want from me?
Papa, you know Ekene is crippled.
Definitely
he needs an assistant.
Mm-hmm.
I'm suggesting and at the same time pleading. So you allow him to come and live with us here so that Mama can at least help take good care of him.
Uchemba, it's not possible. We can assist him through other means. But he has to stay in his father's house. Look, let me tell both of you, that family is evil.
No. But bringing Ekene to stay with us here is the best way we can assist him.
Nani, I said no. We can assist him from here. He should stay in his father's house. That family is evil. Dangerously evil. And I don't want their evil influence inside my house.
Well, in that case, I will take him to the city so he can live with me there.
Sit down. What did you just say now?
I said I will take him to the city and take good care of him.
Uche, I forbid you. You will not. You cannot. You must not take him to your house in the city. Do you hear me?
Don't watch me do it.
It's okay. It's all right. Well, you can come and stay here.
Are you serious?
Well, you have untwisted me. Do I have a choice? I let you come here.
Okay. Thank you, Mama. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alright, Mama. Promise you'll help take care of Ikini very well.
Oh, I will try my best.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
Papa, smile now.
Yeah?
Smile.
Hello. Hi. Oh, hello, madam.
This is my princess.
You know who I am?
Yes, I do. Who doesn't know the most beautiful and amiable Princess Chisom in this vicinity?
Thank you very much, but I'm looking for the vulcanizer, the crippled one.
Ekene.
Yes.
He lost his father. And he's not been coming to work, as you can see.
Wait a minute. Did I hear you say lost his father?
Yes, my princess.
Oh my God. What happened? Was he ill?
First, the man got blind. And then he died. The circumstances surrounding his death is very mysterious. I just pray that God gives the family the fortitude to bear the loss.
It's okay. Thank you very much. I'll come back to check on him some other time.
It's fine, my princess. Bye.
I was perturbed by the urgency in your call. That was why I had to leave school to come and see you right away. What's the problem?
I am finding it very difficult to bond with your sister. You see, I called you here because this is not what I discussed with your parents. I need tips. I want to know about your sister's likes and dislikes.
Ugo, you should know that my report and understanding of my sister would be entirely different from the report and understanding both of you ought to have developed as a potential couple. Look, I'll advise you dig deep. Find out natural things that you can actually apply to win her over. Trust me, that's it.
You see, I have done everything, virtually everything I think I can as a man to win her. But none of them seems to be working on her.
Ugo, my sister, Princess Chisom, she's intelligent, smart, tough, very tough. She's hardworking, very dedicated when it comes to her work. And she can be determined. Let's say, if she wants something, she's going all out for it. But funny enough, she can be swept off her feet by foolish things. You know, I'll advise you, apply natural methods. Be yourself, be your natural self. You might be surprised that it is the simplest thing that will sweep her off her feet.
intelligent, smart, tough, but yet foolish. Well, thank you very much. I think I'll apply this. And I hope it will work. Huh?
You're welcome, bro. I definitely it will work. I mean, what are our friends for?
Thank you very much. I owe you one.
No wahala. No wahala.
Buddy, well, how are you? How's school?
Man, school is great. Too much work to do. I can't wait to be done.
Hell
I
yes,
can't wait
you
to
need
be
to be
done.
done so you take over your father's empire. Huh?
We need to talk about the important thing on the table.
Which is?
A scheduled meeting with the executive governor of the state.
Are you serious? Wait a minute, how is that possible?
Okay, so the governor demanded to see my father. He had promised him a contract for his company during the campaign, of course. But you know my dad has been ill, so he sends me as his representative.
Wow, babe, that's good news! Wait a minute. You know all these politicians. I hope he's not going to disappoint.
Well, I'm not thinking in that direction. You know why? Election is around the corner. He is rerunning as a governor, and he actually needs my father's support.
Wow.
So do the calculation.
Go. Okay. We need to drink to that.
Of course we need
like,
to
you can say that again, girl.
Okay. Because it's my celebration. You know where the bar is, so get us something.
Hello.
Come on, Gina.
Okay. Where is the bar?
Uche, I don't know where this boy almost go to. Have you seen him? Where is Ekene?
He's in my room.
Ekene is in your room. What is he doing in your room? I have arranged a place near the doghouse where he would stay.
And you think I will allow Ekene to go and stay in such a place? Eh? A corner close to dog's house? But it's not possible. He's a human being. Do you want him to die? Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's alright. But those expensive clothes he's wearing, what is he doing with them? Where did he get them?
I bought them for him.
Uche, you bought those expensive clothes for Ekene? Have you ever bought such expensive clothes for me? I, your father, who gave birth to you, who nurtured you until you became a man. But you can buy expensive clothes for a cripple, a paralyzed idiot. Anyway, I am going to take those clothes and change them to mine.
It will never happen. I will not allow you to do that. Moreover, you are not of the same size.
Nah, we are not of the same size. You can bark like a dog as much as you want, but I'm going to tell you something. I am going to take those clothes from Ekene. I will take those clothes from Ekene. I must take those clothes from Ekene. I am going to take them and I'm going to reshape them to my size. You will see what I will make out of them.
Papa, it will not happen. It will not happen, Papa. And Papa, listen, if you continue like this, I will have no choice but to take Ekene to the city with me. Why are you being wicked to him? See, Papa, it will not happen, no. It's not happen, Papa.
You are worthy, King of kings, Lord of lords. You are worthy, worthy. You are worthy, King of kings, Lord of lords. I worship you. Let's begin to praise Father, what He has done for us. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father, we thank you. We slept peacefully and woke up, healed, hearty and alive, O Lord. So many people slept without waking up, O Lord. But Father, we are good. We
magnify your holy name, the King of kings, the Lord of lords. Thank you for the life. We exalt your name. Thank you for the air that we breathe. Thank you for the Thank you, Lord.
What is going on? You want to turn my house into a church?
Papa, we are only having our morning devotion.
Is that why you should disturb the entire neighborhood?
Uncle, sorry, we're going to reduce our voice.
You better reduce your voice.
And two, we are talking to the Lord. If you don't mind, you can join us.
Are you drunk?
Drunk in the Lord.
Maya, will you shut up? If I hear your voice again, then you will talk to your late father in the grave.
Where are you going to?
I noticed you're preparing something for cooking. So I decided to come and help you.
I don't need help, okay? Don't worry yourself, I can handle my domestic chores.
Mama, don't worry, I can do it.
Considering your condition, you don't have to worry yourself.
Mama, my condition has never stopped me from doing anything. Okay? So don't worry, I will help you. Mama, I can.
I said, don't worry yourself.
People wouldn't continue to suffer because of customs and tradition that they know nothing about or how it was constituted.
Such changes are possible only if majority of the elders in council agree to abolish or modify such custom and tradition.
Greetings, Your Majesties.
You are welcome to my palace.
Prince Ugonna, you're welcome.
Greetings to you too.
Same here.
Your Majesty, my coronation comes up in a few months' time. But I'm afraid that Princess Chisom and I are yet to understand each other. I think she does not like me.
Why do you say so?
You see, everything I do or say displeases her. Even though I have done everything in my powers to show to her that I love her so much, all to no avail.
You know, women are always proving not to be cheap. But I believe if you should press further, she will give up.
Prince Ugonna, my mom is right. I believe my sister, Princess Chisom, is doing all these things just to be sure that you truly love and care for her.
Besides, I'll still talk to her. So there is nothing to be scared of, trust me.
Very well then, Your Majesty. I will be very grateful.
You're welcome.
I'll have to take my leave now, Your Majesty.
It's all right. We are going to support you and ensure that your coronation comes out successfully.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Honestly speaking, I just don't know what is wrong with my daughter. Honestly.
When I came to see you, I was told you now stay with him.
I was asked to come and stay with them because me staying alone is not just good for me.
That's okay. It's a good idea. At least they'll keep you company.
Yeah. How are you?
Okay.
I missed you. Your name is not Golide. I mean, no.
Oh, give me.
Papa, welcome.
What is going on? Okay, why? Can you hear? Is anything the matter? What is wrong?
We are discussing.
You are just discussing. Eh? You're just discussing. And you have your two hands on his thighs. And rubbing it up and down. You are just discussing. Oh yeah, get up, get up. With all of this, Iruka, you are pressing close to Ekene, pushing him, knowing that he cannot run. He's a cripple. What do you expect him to do? Turn! Hey, whoa! Hey! Oh! Hey! Look at you. Look at the kind of discussion you want to discuss with Ekene. I know that this discussion will now discuss into the room. And then you will now start discussing. You will discuss.
Papa, is not what you're thinking.
Shut up. What do you think that I'm thinking? Look, I know what I am thinking. I know. I am a very intelligent man. Here. Very intelligent. I know where you're heading to. Look at your eyes. I know where you're heading to. I know what you want. You will carry out this discussion inside my house, and then he will make you pregnant. You will start crying. I am pregnant. Then I will start to feed him, begin to feed you, and then feed a cripple's child. I don't have that kind of resources. My dear, that will be end of discussion for me. Do you hear me? It will be end of discussion for me. Nothing for me in it. I don't want to shut up! If not for this your leg, I will have shown you what I'm made up of. Come on, get out! Get out!
You're already back. What are you shouting?
Why would I shout? They want to put fire on top of my roof. I decide to keep quiet. Why would I keep quiet?
Put fire on top of your roof?
Yes, no.
How?
Chinwe, it is this thing. Look at her chest. Can you not see the cleavage and the rounded neck? If you cannot see it, I can see it. She is almost transparent. I can assure you she's not wearing anything under.
Hey.
Yes, that is the kind of person that has come to discuss with Ekene. Yeah?
I don't see anything wrong in she visiting Ekene. Both of them are of age.
Get inside.
Huh?
Get inside.
Inside what?
I did not ask for your opinion in this matter. Now you, get out.
Nani.
Get out of my house.
Nani Ekene tozugokwa n'ihe eji mmadụ eme.
Get out. Look at what you are carrying. You don't know that there are rich people that you should give this thing to. If you don't know who you will give it to, that will give you money, wait for me outside. I will show you.
You said she should wait for you outside.
I said shut up. Shut up.
Oh.
Papa is just...
Shut up! Everybody shut up! Shut up!
Hey!
Shut up! Ekene? Shut up! I can see that you are idle. That's why you are bringing a yellow baby to come and keep you discussion. Wait, I'm coming. You will start walking.
You're welcome. What are you doing? As you can see, I'm washing now. Papa says I should help him out.
For what now? Look, with your condition, you're not supposed to be doing this. Why? Why are you washing?
Okay,
No, stop.
There's nothing there.
I said no! I gave Papa money to take this clothes to dry cleaner. So why didn't you do that? Why is he giving you to wash with your condition? No, stop. I said stop it. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Uche, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Is anything wrong with you?
No, Papa.
Why did you stop him from washing my clothes?
Papa, with his condition, he's not supposed to be washing your clothes.
Papa, I remember vividly, I gave you money to take this clothes to the dry cleaner. Why didn't you do that?
Uche, shut up! Shut up! Uche, I started seeing money before you. I mean good money. What is all this thing about money? Eh? Uche, Uche, be warned! Be warned! Uche, be warned! Ekene, wash my clothes.
What I'm doing is not good. I gave him money. What is it?
Now, okay, Gavin,
how are you?
I'm fine.
I hope you're fine.
Yes.
Oh, Ekene, I intend going back to the city tomorrow. Okay. Yes. But don't worry, don't worry. Time to time, I'll be coming to the village to see you.
It's okay. But as for me, I would love to go back to the workshop and continue with my vulcanizer business.
Oh. Are you sure you can still do that tedious job in the workshop?
Nah, I get the wine and I can't go. That means I will always do without stress.
Alright. If that is what you want, no problem.
Yes, and also I would love to go back to my house now that the remains of my father has been laid to rest.
You can disagree, okay? You're not strong enough to go back to your father's house. I still want you to remain here so my parent can still take care of you. Until I find someone that will take care of you in your father's house. Okay?
It's okay. Well, but please, can you help me back to the workshop now? Can you help me?
Now? You mean now?
Yes, now.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Alright. No, don't worry. I'll love you.
You're back?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome. Okay, Kenny. Welcome.
Thank you.
I heard everything that happened to you. He's well.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, take heart. Okay, Kenny. Lest I forget. Princess Chisom was here looking for you.
Princess Chisom. I don't know any Princess Chisom more.
You don't know Princess Chisom? She's that of the most wealthiest king, Ezebube.
I can't remember any Princess Chisom around me. I can't.
But she was here looking for you now. Why didn't I know her, making me look like a liar?
I said I don't know any Princess Chisom. What is it? Please, I have enough work to do. I don't have time for this argument now. Please. Don't come here and disturb me.
Where's the machine?
It's inside.
Alright, open the door so that I'll help you carry it.
Okay.
Are you sure what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Wait, you mean that wealthy princess came here to look for him?
Princess Chisom was here looking for him. But I don't know why he's denying knowing her. I think that he doesn't want us to know about her. That's what I think.
Are you sure?
That's what I'm thinking.
So Ekene is hiding things from me.
Your tire is ready. Sure. It's perfect. You don't get problem.
Hope so you know get issue again.
No.
How
I'm a professional now.
Professional, how much?
Just 300.
That's how you change. I know the change.
Even if you don't get change, you know say they owe me the other day now.
Now the only one why they owe you, they remember, and I be your problem.
Why they owe me now? So you don't complete. Yeah?
No, I'll take a man.
Okay. You want to come again? No.
Okay, I know they come again. They
The system are perfect. The work are perfect. Hey. Uche, my brother.
Hey, Kede.
You're here.
So how's it all going today?
Good, as you can see, God has been faithful. Yes. How you doing now?
Alright, I hope you've made so much money today. Hey, look at you. That's come to money now, you don't want to talk.
I'm trying.
Alright, you excuse me, let me go. Okay. Hello, madam.
Hey! I like your best friend.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, I'm fine.
Do you have a recharge card?
Yes, I do, sir. What network and how much?
I want 3,000 naira worth of recharge card.
Okay, so what network?
Can I ask you a question?
What would that be?
Hey, madam. Outside that day you said Princess Chisom came to visit Ekene. Has she come again?
No, she hasn't.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Very sure.
Let me go.
Alright, hurry up. Give me the recharge card.
MTN.
Madam, fast now. Okay.
Hey! Princess Chisom is here. Sign your card.
Princess Chisom? She the one?
Yes, no, that's Princess Chisom.
Are you serious?
Yes. Hi.
Princess.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you? Oh, my princess, it's my pleasure to meet you.
It's my pleasure to meet you as well. And who are you?
Oh, my princess, you are beautiful. Kai! My princess, you are the signature of all eyes in this vicinity. My princess, there is no woman as beautiful as you are. You are the most beautiful woman on earth. My princess, you were created on Sunday morning. Permit me, can I have a handshake with you, my princess?
Of course you can.
Hi, my princess.
So you're a princess?
Oh, well, of course. Oh, well, I'm Princess Chisom.
Oh, I never knew you were a princess.
Well, now you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how are you doing?
I'm good.
You look good. Yeah. I was driving by and decided to stop to say hi to you.
Oh, my princess. Oh, please, if you don't mind, can I have just a few minutes talk? Please.
Oh,
I won't take time.
That won't be possible. I actually came here to have a word with him, and I need to talk to him in private. But if there's anything you have to tell me, you can talk to my chief lady. She'll relate to me later. Is that okay?
No, my princess. We're supposed to be talking, not him. He's taking shelter in my father's house. I'm the one clothing him, feeding him. Yes.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. But like I said, I really need to talk to him in private. So if you don't mind, you can meet up with my chief lady, okay? So tell me, how many tires have you pumped today?
I've pumped like 4, and your own is going to be the 5th one.
Give me a high five. But I'm not here to pump my tire. I actually came to see you.
Okay. Princess, please hold this thing for me. I'm going to use it to cut. Uche, please help me lose that stuff. Okay? Why I...
Oh, my princess. Please, can I just, even if it is 10 seconds,
I already
I just
told
want
you.
to have, just
I
need to
already
talk.
told you that I need to talk with him. I told you already, you can meet up with my chief lady. It's fine. Okay? I just take some privacy, please. So tell, how has work been today?
Good. This is
okay.
cluster for tire. This one is rubber gun. When people are talking too much, just gum their mouth. Okay.
Oh no, that's not the aim for this one. You just said that on your own.
I was just joking. Okay. So that is it. Hey, where is Uche?
So this is like a sandpaper, right?
Yes. Uche! Uche!
I can apply as an apprentice here, right?
You're gonna fail.
The princess of the land wants to apply here. you want her to pay, really?
Your Majesty.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, let me show you.
Okay, go ahead.
This one is the main thing. After I take it off.
Yeah.
I put it here. Put it here.
Would you like to cover a hole in the tires?
Yes, chicken. Everything is done.
What's chicken?
I'll teach you.
Hey! Why did you drive so rapidly?
Hey, Papa! Now I believe everything you have been telling me about Ekene and his family. Now I believe you, Papa.
How?
I believe you. It's true. It's true.
How now? You believe me? You believe me? How?
Papa, do you know, after everything I have done for Ekene, Ekene can still keep secret from me. Hiding something from me, Papa.
No. So, what do you think Ekene is hiding from you?
Papa, do you know Ekene is dating Princess Chisom? The daughter of the wealthiest king, Ezebube, the king of... Exactly, Papa.
I know him.
Ekene is dating his daughter, the princess.
It's not possible. Just wait. How can such a wealthy princess be dating a crippled, a pauper?
That is my annoyance, Papa. Ekene that I discuss almost everything with. I tell him everything about me, about my family. Why is he hiding it from me?
I told you. It is in their blood. It is running in their blood. I tried telling you, but you would not listen to me. That was exactly what his wicked wizard of a father did to me. But anyway, now you know it has happened to you.
Well, Papa, let me tell you, Ekene must leave this house today. Because I cannot live with such a betrayer anymore. He must leave this house today.
No, my son, Ekene will not leave.
Why?
Because if he leaves, you will not be able to monitor his relationship with the princess. Yes. And then, my son, you will not be able to exert your pound of flesh, your sweet revenge. It is far from us. Think about it. He will not go. When I come back, we will talk more about it.
So, Papa, how did the meeting go?
Oh, it went well. We had a fruitful discussion on almost all the items on the agenda. It went well.
Papa, I still cannot believe Ekene could lie to me.
My son, the explanation to his action is very simple. Ekene knows that if the princess sees you, she might become interested in you, and you know what would happen. You are tall, you are fair, like your mother. You have money, you have 2 legs you can stand. If the princess sees you, she might begin to like you. Let me tell you, Ekene is envious of you. He must have told the princess some bad and negative things about you.
Papa, you are right. Very correct. But you can see the way the princess told me, please excuse us. I want some privacy with Ekene.
Oh, was I there? I know them, that family. I know them. They are very wicked. But when I reacted, you and your mother misunderstood me. Okay, it's all right.
All right, Papa, it's still not late. So, what do I do now?
Now you're asking the right question. You will not go back to the city soon. Yes, stay back here in this village. Stay back here and seek the attention of the princess? Or do you want Ekene to...
No, God forbid.
Oh,
God forbid.
Yes!
That wealthy princess. That is the kind of personality I deserve.
Bam!
I will do everything possible to seek her attention.
Odogu. Now you're talking. Now you are talking like my son. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know that if you get married to the princess, royalty automatically will come into this family? Are you aware? Yeah, small boy. There are things you don't know. You don't fully understand the implication. That is why you must work hard. Okay?
Papa, it's a promise. I will not disappoint you. I will do everything possible to be close to the princess.
Listen, don't tell anyone about this. Don't. Not even your mother. Let us handle it as men. Don't worry, my son. I will support you.
All right, Papa. All right, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Papa, you're a wise man.
What is it you are talking about? I knew you left my shop angrily. Uche, tell me, what is it?
You could be disappointed. I never believed you could lie to me. Why? Why do you have to lie to me?
Uche, I'm sorry about that. But she visited my shop just once. Okay, and with the way she dressed, I never knew that she's a princess. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
All right. I've forgiven you. But please, for trust's sake, don't lie to me. I have never lied to you, and I will never lie to you.
Uche, I've never lied to you, and I would never do that. Okay? I'm sorry for everything. Are you happy now?
Yep, I'm happy.
Right. Uche, nothing can ever come between us. And my bros with you.
Of course. Blood for life. Alright, we're good now. Oh, so tell me.
I came to see Prince Ugonna.
Okay.
I heard he's not feeling fine. Sis.
Oh.
Please, be nice to him. I believe you can make him feel better.
I'm not a doctor, but I'll try.
Alright, thank you. I'll be going back to the palace.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, take care.
Alright, see you. Bye. Prince Ugonna, how are you?
Well, I don't feel well. I'm sick.
I was informed. So, have you taken your medication?
Oh, yes, I have. But I still feel feverish.
Sorry about that.
My princess.
Yes.
Lay beside me.
Excuse me?
Yes. Lay beside me. I want to feel the warmth of your body. It will make me feel better. Don't say no.
Son, so tell me, how did it go? Did she come to see me?
She did. But judging by her expression, she wasn't happy with the visit.
Oh, come off that. Your sister is a very stubborn girl. I just pray everything works out fine so that the promise your father made to his late father
We're not speaking fair.
But Mom, Dad said you have been the one that has been hell-bent on keeping that promise. The promise you made alone, not with Dad.
Whatever. Does it matter who made the promise? The most important thing is to fulfill the promise.
At the expense of your daughter's happiness.
Does it matter?
It matters to me, Mom. My sister deserves to be happy. She needs to be happy.
You don't shout at me. Have you lost it?
Ogonna, please. This is not the reason I'm here. And you know it.
Come on. If you want me to feel better and get back on my feet, allow me get inside of you. Let the cap feel the juice.
Ogonna, please. The things you're saying are actually not going well with me. Moreover, this is immoral. I didn't come here for sex. I am not ready for that. I'm not in the mood.
Mood?
Why are you screaming? Why is that? What happened? I pushed the shovel that fell on my leg now. Who did that? What you... I don't understand how push it. Where did it come from? And why is the shovel here? Huh? I don't know. Someone must have pushed it that made it to fall on my leg now. What do you mean who pushed it? Huh? Is it not you and I? Someone must have pushed it. I felt that it didn't just fall. Eh? You felt that it didn't just... See, you are beginning to think too much. And you are thinking rubbish. You are no more thinking normal. Huh? Because that is the truth. What are you thinking? No, tell me, what are you thinking? What is it? You have your life. It's not like you are dead. It's only a dead man that does not have hope. You need food, I give you food. You are eating very well. I'm taking good care of you. If it is even clothes, anytime you need clothes, you tell me and I change your wardrobe. Buy new clothes for you. So what is it I'm not doing for you? I don't believe it's your condition is making you think God. See, I think you hate me, you don't like me. No, you're not happy with me. No, just tell me. If I've offended you, tell me and I will apologize.
Jay, you're right. I don't know what is wrong with me. There's a lot of thought going on in my mind these days.
What are you thoughting? No, tell me, what are you actually thinking? All the time you're thinking, and now you begin to think rubbish. That was how the other day you lied to me about Princess.
Ah, Uche. So you've not really forgiven me. Uche, the other day she came to my workshop. The way she dressed didn't really portray that she's a princess. And besides, I've apologized to you.
It's alright. It's alright. It's of the past now. I hope you didn't get hurt.
It's nothing much.
I want to do that.
I'm sorry. Are you still hurting?
I'm fine.
Sit down.
That's alright, I'm fine.
Listen, I didn't mean for this to happen. I just kicked in defense. It wasn't intentional, please. I'm sorry.
I'm fine. You see, I should learn to be patient until you're certain that I am the man for you.
Whichever ways, I'm sorry. I really need you to forget about this, please.
It's all right. I should be the one apologizing for my irrational behavior. I just hope you will not hold this against me.
Oh, not at all. I'll let it slide.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then you'll have to give me a hug. The proof that you have forgiven me.
Okay. I'm not only going to hug you. I will kiss you to let you know that I have forgiven you.
Very well then. I am all yours. I surrender.
Greetings, Auntie Pat.
Greetings. How are you and how is work today?
I'm fine. Is Prince aware you are coming?
What sort of person is that? Do I need any introduction or a pass before I can see the prince? Because I'm aware he's in.
I'm sorry, ma. The exchange of instruction, the prince instructed that he ought to be informed in case of any visitor.
Oh. I see. Since when have I been referred as a visitor in this palace? Since when?
It's an instruction from the prince, ma. I know it's sunny, but you can have a seat. Let me go and get you some drink.
Oh, I see. It's all right.
Please inform the prince.
This is strange. When did it start?
Where is she?
Where is who?
You hear that Satya was looking for the prince?
Girl, no, I didn't see any girl here.
Oh my God! Prince Ugonna! What is going on here?
How the hell did you get in here? I thought you locked the door. Pot. Please. Meet Princess here. My friend. Princess. Meet Pot. She is also my friend. You're both my friend.
I am not just your friend. I am your lover. Because we do what lovers do, right? And you must have your head re-examined to think you can use and dump me. You know what? If that should happen, I will do the unthinkable. So don't try me. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Are you talking to me? Did you get a word of what she just said? Because I didn't get a thing. Yes. I'll get the doll. Back to business.
You're goats.
I would have preferred you call me a lion, not a goat. Nah, that's silly.
I was looking for you.
If you know what is good for you, just get out of my way. Now I understand perfectly well what you were trying to hide from me.
Oh, you are doing some cleaning.
What can I do for you, ma?
Oh, nothing. I came to inform you that your food is ready.
Okay.
Go to the kitchen at the usual place and take it.
Okay, when I'm done what I'm doing, I'll go and do that.
But hurry up before it gets cold.
It's okay.
Where are you going now? Where are you going? Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't know you were coming. Where are you going? Sorry. I didn't know that. Did I know you were coming out? I didn't even see. I was telling you stop. Shut up. I was coming inside with a cup of hot water to make tea. I was back in telling the dog to shut up. I didn't know he was crawling outside. I mistakenly poured hot water on his leg.
You poured hot water on his leg? How?
Mistakenly.
I sense that you probably did this. Oh, I sense it. This is hurting me.
What did you just say now? Kehiku? That what happened? That Uche intentionally poured this hot water on you? That what happened here was not a mistake, Ekene?
Ekene! Can you imagine the gravity of accusation? So, Ekene, you believe me, your cousin? I will purposely do this to you. Is that what you're saying?
I'm not trying to accuse anyone. I'm sorry about that, but she's spending me. Someone should help me.
Let us rush him to the hospital.
With whose money? No, rush him to the hospital. With whose money?
Let us.
Will you bring the money?
When we go there first.
My friend, shut up over me. Go and take palm oil and salt and rub on it. By tomorrow morning, it will have healed.
Palm oil and salt. Are you sure of this?
No, never.
Again, I can't believe that. I can't believe you just accused me like me, your cousin. I'll purposely pour all the time. Ah, God, we believe you. This one.
Hey. Me. Shut up your mouth. Go in there and get the salt and palm oil. Let us rub
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. That reminds me. Akugo, you said you wanted to talk to me about something.
Yes, my queen.
What is it?
My queen, I have been in this palace for years.
Of course.
And I think I have a suggestion concerning what is going on between Prince Ugonna and Princess Shiso.
Go ahead. What's your suggestion?
My queen, whatever that is happening between Prince Ugonna and the princess, I think it's because you allowed the issue to linger longer than necessary, my queen.
You are right. But I am very disappointed in my daughter, Chisom. I expected her to handle things of her generation better.
My queen, I think the problem is that it will be difficult for Prince Ugonna and Princess Chisom to be compatible.
What makes you think so?
Because they both grew up and we are trained in societies with different values, my queen.
I believe all hope is not lost. So tell me, what do you think we should do?
My queen, you should impose our values on them.
Akugo, you have spoken very well. That's nice. Thank you very much. Then watch and see what will happen.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
She's very intelligent. I didn't expect this. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, just don't me. I can't sleep, eh? Try and sleep now.
Uche, one more. Uche, the pain is becoming unbearable. I feel like I'm dying. Uche, I feel like I'm dying.
You won't die. You won't die. You won't die. Don't worry. Just try. Just enjoy and sleep, eh? Sleep.
Uche, I need to be taken to the hospital. Hey, you fool, Hey.
Which hospital? Huh? Do you know what the time is saying? As in hospital, which hospital? Just try and sleep. Moreover, you know I don't like driving at night. Just enjoy the pain and sleep. Try. Stop now. Okay, fine. Just cover your mouth. That your best not be disturbing me again.
Hey!
Ekene. Oh, you are still sleeping.
Papa, Uncle, good morning. Good.
How is your leg?
Uncle, it's so painful. I couldn't just sleep last night. I'm just sleep at time, just trying to catch up some sleep now. I wish to be taken to the hospital, Uncle.
Shut up.
Eh?
Shut up. Which hospital? Eh? You think going to the hospital is bread and butter? Idiot. Look, let me tell you. If anybody suggests to you to take you to the hospital, tell the person no. Do you hear? Tell him no. Tell him no. Anyway, I am sure that the palm oil and salt, it's already healing. You can see. It is drying up. It should pain you, but you have to endure and enjoy the pain. It will go. Anyway, get up. Get up and then come and do your house chores. The house is very dirty. And then get ready. Go to the workshop and wait for me.
Uncle, I don't think I can go to the workshop today. My leg is really hurting.
Okay.
So it's hurting, Uncle, it's hurting.
Yes, your leg is hurting. know. Sorry, Ndo. So, but you still have to get up now. Come and sweep outside. Sweep outside. Dust the chairs. The parlor is very dirty. So you have to, there's no house girl again in this house or houseboy. You have to do it now. Clean the corridor and the bedrooms and toilets. You have to do something. Or do you just want to idle away so that when my wife has finished cooking, that time your leg will not pain you? It will not pain you. You will come and eat. After eating and swallowing my food, you now come and start to speak big grammar for me. My leg is hurting. Do you know how I provide money to provide food for you? Uncle, man, come on, get up and come and
Uncle, please.
Shut up. Who are you pointing to? Odogu na. Odogu daddy.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah. Are you still asleep?
Papa, I'm still sleeping. No, Kennedy did not allow me to sleep until the night.
I know. Even if the leg was not paining him, the way he snores, he will not be able to sleep. Just manage him. Sleep. Don't bother getting up. You hear me? Odoguna.
Papa, just tell him to fan me so I can sleep. I'm feeling him.
Are you telling me to tell him? Tell him now, what is he here for? Where is the hand fan? Fan him, my friend. Did he not tell you to fan him? Fan him first. Did you not hear it? The heat is worrying.
Stop.
Mama?
Stop. Huh? I don't expect you to be awake by now washing all these dishes. Stop it.
Mama,
Stop
good
it.
morning first.
Morning.
They are nothing. Allow me to do it. I can do it. Oh? Mama?
I insist. Let me
Mama,
wash
that
it.
condition is just on my leg, not on my hands. I can do this. Don't worry.
Mama, why are you stopping him from washing the dirty dishes?
Can't you see the condition of his legs? Huh?
Is he complaining? Mama, he's fine. He's a strong man. His legs are paining, but his hands are very okay. That's why he's just leave him. Let him wash.
You have to go and mother better. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Guinea. He carried down his sefer. Can't you come and wash this plate?
For what? No, how now? How? That is degrading. I cannot be washing plates. A breadwinner of this family. I provide food, everything, even provide him clothes. So if I wash his dishes, what will he be doing? No, tell me, what will Ekene be doing in this house if I'm washing dishes?
It's okay, no problem.
It's okay. Mama, I won't say this 100 times. I can do it. Oh?
It's okay. Since you say I should leave you, let me go and prepare breakfast.
Listen, wash that thing very well. Look at those ones you've washed and they are not clean now. Scrub it very well, use force so that those stains they will all leave. After all, even in the Bible, cleanliness is next to godliness. And you know very well I'm very allergic to dirty things. So you have to clean it very well. If not, anytime I want to use the plate, I will call you to come and wash it again.
Chineke emerela.
Hello, Ekene. Ekene? It's me. It's Chisom.
Hey, my princess.
What happened to your leg?
You're welcome.
Thank you. What happened to you?
It's just a little domestic accident.
You call this little domestic accident?
Yeah, it's
no, this doesn't look little to me. I mean, just take a look at this. This doesn't look good at all. We need to get to the hospital. You need some medical attention.
My princess, there won't be any need for that. I've gotten a lot of treatment on this leg.
And by treatment, you mean local treatment, right?
And local is the best.
It's okay, I'm not disputing that fact, but we need to get to the hospital. Cases like this could lead to amputation, okay?
My princess, there won't be any need for that.
No, there is a need for it, okay? If you're concerned about spending time in the hospital because of your business, don't worry, it won't take long, okay? I just need the doctor to look at this, please. All right? I'll help you with that.
Mbawe, let me see how that useless boy, will be better than your son in his present condition. Being better than my son is now an uphill task. Impossible. Look at that guy. Who has that guy? Are you sure it's not another one that my son has brought? Who is inside? That could be my son looking for me. Your son. Your son. Your son bought one bottle of Kai Kai coming back. No, it looks like a woman. Oh. That's Princess Chiso.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good Princess. Let us go and greet her. Let's go. Let's go. Princess.
Easy.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Uncle, this is Princess. Princess, my uncle, the one I've been staying with all this while since my father died, and his friend.
That is wonderful.
It's nice to meet you, sir. Ekene here has told me everything you and your family have been doing for him. I want to say thank you on his behalf.
We've been doing our best.
God bless you, sir.
We would have given her a chair. Chair.
Uncle, she insisted on taking me to the hospital, even when I told her that there won't be any need for that.
There won't be any need.
Oh, well, yes, I insisted, seeing his condition. But the doctor said he's all right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But he needs to rest. Doctor's advice, please.
Tell him. He likes to move from one place to the other, from one place to the other. He won't rest.
Please excuse me. Uncle, please just help me use this little cash to take care of him. I'll be back tomorrow with more money. Okay?
So more money. Yeah, you're princess now.
Oh, thank
money
you.
Is not your problem.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right. I'll have to take my leave.
Okay.
Ekene, I'll be leaving now. But I need you to take good care of yourself. Uncle Amadi here says you've been stressing yourself too much. I don't need you to do that, okay?
It's okay. Thank you
right.
so much. You've tried so much.
It's okay. All right, Uncle. Ngwano.
Okay, Princess. Bye-bye.
My friend, stay in one place. This is what they just said now. You are moving about.
She's about to shift the car.
If you not better, they can't cross your other leg. Are you useful? Are you? If you cross the leg, you will have more money. Okay. Maybe that. Hey, princess. Hey, Mama.
Princess.
Mama.
Bye-bye.
Hey. This is your. I wish.
Princess said you should use that money and take care of me.
Olu, shut up.
Why are you sharing it with your friend?
Olu, shut up. Have I not been supportive?
Hey. Has he not been taking care of you?
You cousin and we could easy.
Come on, move inside.
Come on, get
back with your walk.
Raponya. Go. Mind how you drag that thing into my house. So, I don't want to see any blood on the floor. Or you will come back and clean it.
Leave him alone.
Mbakwe. Onyala.
Mbakwe. That princess is good for your
son. This boy is going to spill blood on my...
Oh, Princess Ewa, Your Majesty, welcome to my palace.
Prince Ugonna, I know my daughter very well, and I can assure you she's under my control. So tell me, what happened the last time she visited your palace?
I am truly sorry, Your Majesty. But whatever happened was a mistake.
A mistake? Ugonna, you were with my sister and another girl barged into your bedroom and you call it a mistake?
Princess Ewa, I can assure you, I have nothing with that girl. She's just a friend.
My dear, it's very crazy that you want us to believe that you have nothing with that girl.
You see, this is what I hate. Lies and deceit. Look, please, Ugonna, I will not take it lightly with anyone that may want to toy with my only sister's emotion. I won't take it lightly at all.
And Prince Ugonna, since you don't want to open up to us, it might interest you to know that the same girl has confessed to whatever thing you have with her.
What?
Yes.
Why would she do a thing like that?
You are denying of having anything to do with her. I know she's one of your numerous escapades.
Princess Ewa, your sister has never been there for me.
Then you decided to be very promiscuous, right?
I am truly sorry, Your Majesty. I promise. This will never happen again.
It's okay. I'll talk with my daughter, but then make sure you keep to your promise.
I promise you, Your Majesty. Princess Ewa, I assure you, it will never happen again.
Prince Ugonna, you know you're my friend, right?
Oh yeah, of course. You are my friend. Oh, please, Your Majesty. Let's forget about this and go back inside. Yes. Please, inside, please.
My son, how did it go?
Papa, can you imagine? Pat just broke up with me.
Why?
She said she wants to concentrate on winning Prince Ugonna. That he promised her marriage.
Why would she prefer that brat to someone like you that is well cultured and well brought up? Why?
I still don't know. One thing I know is I will not allow her to humiliate me. I must revenge. It's a promise.
Son, you have to let her go.
Why did you say that?
Because I think that what is happening has a divine intention. Yes. Our people say that Nafunye Kubi Eloba.
Papa, I don't understand.
The princess was here today.
Which princess?
Princess Chisom of Umuigwe Kingdom. She brought Ekene back. I think it will be an opportunity for you to try to get close to her. Uche, try to win the heart of the princess.
Now I see why you said some disappointment is a blessing.
It's like I'm no longer welcomed in this house.
What do you mean?
It's time to leave.
I still don't understand. Did anyone ask you to leave the house?
I do not need anyone to ask me to leave the house. I don't know how I've wronged anyone around here. Your father hates me.
You see why sometimes it's a problem to give help to people, to be good to people. How can my father hate you and he still allows you to live under his roof?
Uche, my brother, I may be disabled and I can perceive some negative attitude around me. The way you treat me scornfully and with disdain.
Because you're constant. Yes! The same way you're treating me right now. How can you hide something you know very well is going to be beneficiary to me? How?
Don't tell me you still don't believe me about Princess.
I don't believe you.
Why?
Because I know very well that the princess took you to the hospital for medication and also gave you money.
She gave me a gift. Yes.
What gift?
She gave me this phone. Yes, and also gave me her number, asked me to put a SIM card in the phone and call her whenever I want to call her.
Wow. So the princess actually gave you this phone?
Yes.
Alright, fine. Let me see the number she gave to you.
What is wrong with this phone? Uche.
Yo, I'm here with a bucket of hot water to help you clean your wound.
Check not on this phone. I don't know what is wrong with it.
Oh, probably you're not pressing the right button.
Any other button? I've been pressing this button since now.
Oh, no, well, let me see. Let me look at it before.
Hey! Oi! Joe, what have you done?
What is this? Is it me? Huh? I've not collected the phone. You left it and the thing fell inside the bucket of hot water. Why are you blaming me now? Is everything you blame me for?
Are you sure this phone will still function again? Yeah? Hey!
I don't know. So that question should be referred to a phone technician.
What have I done? What have I done now? What is this now? Eh? Oh.
Yeah. Hello, princess.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, he's Ekene's friend and brother.
Oh, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Princess, I just want to let you understand you can reach Ekene through this number. The phone you bought for him actually fell into water and it's not working now.
I mean, how did he do that? How did he get so careless with the phone?
Yeah, he has been so moody since it happened. But I told him to just relax, that he might buy him another one.
Please, when you're with him, I would love to talk to him.
Okay, but at the same time, you can just pass the message and I'll relate to him.
I'm sorry, but I I would like to talk to him directly.
Okay, okay, if you say so, no problem. Oh, nice talking to you, princess.
Alright, bye.
Alright.
No, but I was serious about it.
Yeah, wait, that reminds me. How did you see the proposal?
Well, I think it's okay, but I'm still going to go through it and then make my recommendations.
My prince, here is.
Wait a minute. My princess, you don't want to pick your calls?
You see this call? It will be a distraction to this discussion, so please, let's go.
Oh, okay.
She's not taking my calls. What do I do now? What do I do now?
Yes, Papa?
Sorry, I have to make a call.
Uche! Uche!
Hello?
Sorry. That's Sekene, right?
He's not here. Let's call him back. He's not here.
Oh, it's you I actually wanted to talk to. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. How are you? I'm getting better. Okay, hold on. I am sorry.
Come, shut up. Sorry for yourself. You wizard. What's your problem?
Uche, I'm sorry. I just picked to know who is calling. I was even calling you.
See, Ekene, you are really getting on my nerves, so. You are getting on my nerves. And if you make me hate you, you not like me in this house.
Hey.
Don't make me hate you.
I'm sorry. Ndo?
Idiot.
Sorry, Gina, but we have to cancel this meeting of visibility study.
Right?
Why? Something of utmost importance just came up and I need to handle it right away. Alright? I'll call you later.
Okay.
I'll tell one of my securities to get you a cab to get home, okay?
Hey, my princess, you're welcome. We are honored to have you in our house.
Thank you. I'm highly honored as well.
My princess, please, what do we offer you?
No, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm here to see Ekene. Where is he, please?
Oh, my princess, he is resting as you requested.
Oh.
Okay, he's sleeping. That is the only thing he does. And when he's sleeping, he's snoring. Very terrible. He must be somewhere sleeping. After eating a bowl of food, sleep is the next thing. If he's crawling, he's sleeping. If he's sitting down, he's sleeping. Oh. How much more when he's lying down? Ooh, Una. I beg, leave that matter. Oh. Welcome.
It's okay. But can somebody fetch him for me, please?
Of course. Let me go and fetch him.
You can't wake him up in the kind of sleep he's sleeping now. It is only me that know how to wake him up. You know? Let me go and wake him up.
Hey, you're welcome.
You're looking very radiant.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
The princess is here to see you. She's your
My
princess. You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
My princess, as you can see, I am getting better. The leg is getting better. But I'm not just expecting you at all.
Oh, yes, I know you weren't expecting me, but sir, please, can I have a word privately with him?
Of course you can. Yes.
Do you have a problem with that, sir?
You want to?
Yes. Let him go.
Alright, thank you. Okay, then please, let me see you outside.
No, let us go. You can see him here.
No, I'll talk to him outside.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
My princess.
I brought you out here because I want to tell you nothing but the truth.
I hope there's no problem.
I don't know, but something tells me you are no longer happy here.
My princess, I have no problem here. I'm so happy. The people I'm staying with, they are good people and they always take care of me.
Listen to yourself. You're saying something and your heart and expression is saying something else.
My princess, I am happy. If you think I'm not happy, then I have option.
Okay, tell me. What options do you have?
I'll go back to my father's house.
You and I know nobody will take care of you there. Can I look at you? Look at your condition. Is this what you've always wanted? Is this the life you've always wished for?
My princess, my life and all my dreams has been shattered just because of my condition.
But I'll always try and stay strong.
What dreams are you talking about?
I just wish I could stand upright and practice what I studied in the university.
If given an opportunity to leave this village, I mean go to the city, will you take it?
Yes. I will grab it with my 2 hands. Yes.
Then come to the city with me.
No. No, my princess. No. What will people say?
Does it look like I care what people would say? I'm here to help a brother. Listen, Ekene, you don't have to reject this opportunity. There's a better life for you out there. Come with me to the city, please. Don't say no. Please. First off, I'm glad you like the place. And secondly, it's quiet because I live in this apartment alone. My chief maiden and my security stays at the boys' quarter.